Good morning, students. How are you? This is Ramkumar Bhattacharya, your English teacher. I hope you are passing your days well by the grace of Almighty God. Though we are passing a very critical time, we believe that this situation might be improved and we will resume our studies. You have already taken part in the half yearly examination and you have some idea about the question pattern. I think you are also taking preparation for the next examination. Actually, these online classes are to assist you to take preparation for the next examination. Once again, I'd like to welcome you all to the online session. This session is for the class 7 students. Today, we are going to discuss about transformation of sentence. This is actually a continuation of the previous session. Boys, are you ready? Okay. In our previous class, we discussed about some structures from affirmative to negative. Today, we are going to continue it. Look at this, boys. If there is a conjunction like as soon as used in affirmative form, to make it negative, we have three options: no sooner had then, scarcely had when, hardly had when. Look at this. If as soon as is used, both the clauses should be in indefinite tense. But when we will go to make it negative form, the first clause where we are using the conjunction no sooner had or hardly had or scarcely had, that should be in past perfect. And the second clause, that should be in past indefinite tense. And there is a conjunction you have also found that if there is no sooner had, then we have to use there then. If there is scarcely had or hardly had, we have to use there when. Okay, now look at the example. As soon as the rain stopped, we came back home. When we will make it negative, then it should be no sooner had the rain stopped than we came back home. Look at the second example. As soon as the journey came to an end, we left the bus. When we will make it negative, we can use any one of these three, but I have used there scarcely or hardly had. Scarcely or hardly had the journey come. Look at this. The main verb should be in past participle form, as this clause will be in past perfect tense. So scarcely or hardly had the journey come to an end when we left the bus. Boys, have you understood? Okay. Now comes to another structure. If there is each, every, everybody, everyone, all is used in affirmative form, to make them negative, we can use no or there is no, and instead of everybody we can use there is nobody, instead of everyone we can use none but, instead of all we can also use none but. Now look at the example. Everybody hates a liar. So when we will make it negative, it should be there is nobody but hates a liar, or you can even use there nobody but hates a liar. Every action has its own and opposite reaction. When you will make it negative, then instead of every you can use there is no. So there is no action but has its own and opposite reaction. Okay, now comes to next structure. If there is everything or anything or all is used as subject in affirmative form, to make it negative we can use there nothing but. Okay, now look at the example. Everything has two sides. This is in affirmative form. Now when we will make it negative, it should be there is nothing but has two sides. Anything is alright now, then it should be nothing but is alright now. Okay boys, now comes to another structure. If there is either or used in affirmative form, to make it negative we have to use there neither nor then but. Okay, now look at the example. Either you or I have to do the work. Now when we will make it negative, then the sentence should be neither you nor I but have to do the work. Okay, now comes to another example. Either he will finish the work in time or will be punished. When we will make it negative form, then it should be neither he will finish the work in time nor but will be punished. Okay, now there are another example. If there is very much, totally, completely, greatly used in an assertive sentence in affirmative form, we have to use at all instead of it while making it negative. That means in negative form we have to use there at all. At the same time, we have to use the antonym, opposite word of the focal word, which is used to make it in affirmative form. Like, they like the idea very much. In this sentence, actually the focus is on liked. When we will make it negative, we will usually use the negative form, and instead of very much we have to use at all. But we have to also change the word, the focal word, and we have to use the antonym. Look at this, they like the idea very much. When we will make it negative, it should be they did not dislike the idea at all. The boy is completely ignorant of the matter. Look at this, the boy is not at all concerned of the matter. Okay boys, have you understood? Now we are going to change from assertive to interrogative. You know, in assertive sentence we have two forms, affirmative and negative form. If the assertive sentence is in affirmative form, to make it interrogative we have to add negative form, and that's why this interrogative should be negative interrogative. Okay, now look at the example. We did the work perfectly. When we will make it interrogative, then it should be didn't we do the work perfectly. Look at this. Look at the second example. He joined the program with his family members. When we will make it interrogative, then we have to use another negative form. That's why didn't he join the program with his family members. Okay, now boys, there are another example, another structure. If the assertive sentence itself is in negative form, to make it interrogative we have to avoid the negative form. There should be interrogative and it is in affirmative. Now look at this. If the assertive sentence is in negative form, yes. Now look at the example. She did not sing the song well. Look at this. This assertive sentence is in negative form. That's why to make it interrogative we should avoid negative form. Now, did she sing the song properly? The man was not skilled about the work. When we will make it interrogative, then it should be was the man skilled about the work? This is what we use to make it interrogative sentence. Okay, now there are some homeworks for you. Look at this. Transform the following sentences according to instruction. Robert Bruce was the king of England. You have to make it interrogative. His kingdom was attacked and occupied by King Edward of England. This sentence should be make it into negative form. He fought bravely but was not able to win the battle. This sentence is in negative form. Now you have to make it affirmative. Being defeated for 6 times, he did not restore all hope. This sentence should be also transformed into affirmative. He fled away to save his life. This sentence should be transformed into interrogative. While lying on the cave, he noticed a spider trying to reach the top of the steep wall of the cave. This sentence also should be transformed into interrogative. He was impressed very much with the spirit of it. You have to make it into negative. And the last sentence is also should be transformed into negative. The last sentence is he was inspired to make another effort and did so to regain the freedom of his state. Okay, this is your homework. I hope that all of you should do this homework. Thank you very much boys. This is the ending of the today's session. Stay at home safe.